I was born on this mountain a long time ago, before they knocked down the timbers and stripped mine the coal. And you woke up in the morning before it was light, and you got down in that dark hole and come back at night. I was born on this mountain's my home, and she holds me and keeps me from worry and woe. And now they took everything that she gave, now they're gone, and I will die on this